Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of Vue.js. Part 2 means Vue.js version 2, and this time we are going to get data with Axios and Vue.js in our Laravel 5.8 e-commerce project. Okay, so in the last few videos we have seen that we have posted the data to our database. Now it's the time to get the data from the database. Okay, with Vue.js, and let's start. We will start from the scratch, and first of all I am going to check the that XAMPP is running or not. Okay, so first I'm going to check the XAMPP, and yeah, XAMPP is running fine. So I am going to run my that Laravel project, Laravel e-commerce project. I am going to run that file, sample 5.8 project. I am going to run, and I'm going to run first project PHP artisan serve, in which we are going to do this get data with Axios and Vue.js. Okay, so and I am going to open the browser as well, and also going to open the project in Sublime. Okay, so let's open the project in Sublime as well. This is my project, and I am going to open in Sublime. Okay, so yeah, like this. And okay, here yeah, now here I can able to run the project, and I will also run the database. Okay, ecom database, sample database that we have used with the e-commerce project. Okay, so sample database I'm going to use this one, sample. Okay, so last time we have seen that we have got the inquiries. We have got the inquiries from view.js, that every time when someone adds the inquiry, we means straight away get the inquiry here in our table without refreshing of the page, and that we have done in our this contact form. We not exactly contact. We have made that new form like post. Okay, so to open this one, yeah, from this one, page post, and this link we can give here in header as well, so that every time we can means do this thing with view.js. So I can give, in place of contact, I can give that this one, I can give post here. Okay, and also I can give here actual data. Like I'm going to open app.js file, and yeah, app.js, and here I am going to do that same thing, contact us. Okay, contact us, I'm going to write here like this. Okay, so yeah, now you can see, if I will go back and will click on contact, and then we are going to get this one, and here now it must come like contact us. Okay, so sorry for that. We need to run not only this PHP artisan serve command, we also need to run that npm run watch and npm run development. Okay, so both the commands we need to run. Okay, so one thing, npm run watch I'm going to run. Okay, and also I'm going to run npm run development, npm run dev. Okay, npm run dev. Okay, you can also run npm run production, prod. Okay, for the production of your website. Okay, so I'm going to run npm run development, and now I'm going to refresh here. It will take some time before the changes will come into effect, and it must show contact us in place of that in place of that earlier wording. Okay, so after some time you are going to see these changes will happen. Okay, so run, still it is not working, but we are going to see that the changes we are making is, I know not, okay, it can take some time, okay, so just wait for some time, make sure that we are we are running the commands in the right folder, sample 5.8, npm run watch, npm run development, okay, and this one, okay. So all the commands seem to be fine, but again refresh and still not change. Again, make changes in web.js and here. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, it has taken some time for the initialize for Laravel mix command to start. So it can take 2-3 minutes for you as well. So be patient, and then you are going to refresh, and you can see the change here. Now it is coming like contact us is coming here, like we have done that change here. Now the contact us is appearing, and you have seen that every time if we add some data here, the data is coming here as well. Okay, so here once again I am going to add some data once again to show you that we have done this thing earlier. Now we just need to get the data. See here, I am going to post this one, okay, and it will come there, okay, like this. Testing is going on, okay, like this, and I'm going to see the page will not refresh. I'm just going to click on submit, and within few seconds the data just submitted, and it is even faster than Ajax, and you can see the data is coming here. So how fast it is, you can see the how fast. Okay, now I'm going to add another data here, John, okay, John at the rate of viewofmail.com, okay, and intro, I want some intro, anything you can add, okay. So now again I am going to submit, and you can see the data comes here as well. Now the thing that we want to show this data to some page, we can show this data to admin as well. We can show this data to any place at front end where we want to post as well as want to get the data in vue.js, means that will make the things totally means instant response. You can say real time response. You can see like the data is posting as well as coming on the screen. Okay, so we are going to show this data in admin panel. Okay, just for the sake of understanding the concept. Okay, so we can show the data somewhere in admin panel. Okay, so we will just show this time. We are not going to follow the structure of the database, but we just want to view the data from the inquiries table with the help of vue.js and Axios. We will not use this time that Laravel command, Laravel query, Laravel query, MySql query. We are not going to use that. We will use vue.js to show the data in admin panel. And here we will make some inquiries link, and we are going to click that link, and then we are going to show in admin panel that inquiries data. Okay, simple inquiries data. We will show whatever we are seeing here, we will show in admin panel with help of vue.js. Okay, so that thing, and for that first of all we are going to add here inquiries. Okay, so let's do that thing as well. run sidebar, and we are going to add. Okay, so first I'm going to make it correct. Sorry, we need to open admin sidebar, not front sidebar. Okay, in admin sidebar, I'm going to add here the last one, inquiries. Okay, inquiries. Okay, mm, inquiries here as well. I'm going to write queries, inquiries here. Okay, so sorry for that. Here we are going to view inquiries only, so we can just here we can do the thing view inquiries. Okay, now you can see inquiries here. We will just do one here like this, and you can see now this inquiries has been added here, but we need to create the route for this inquiry. Okay, so we are going to create this route in admin panel. Okay, we are going to create here at last. We can create here. Okay, that route view queries. Here create admin, then inquiries like this. Okay, CmsController, and then viewEnquiries like this. Okay, so this function we are going to make in CmsController, and I'm going to make this function at last. Okay, after add post, I'm going to make function public function like this. Okay, so now here we are going to fetch the records. Yeah, records we are going to fetch with the query itself, but we will not return that data to that blade file like we used to do earlier, but instead we will just make that JSON data. We are going to encode in JSON that data. We are going to encode in JSON and return in page only, and that JSON we are going to call in that in view.js. Okay, so that thing we are going to do. First we are going to get the data like inquiries. We will get here in inquiries. uh, okay, so inquiries we are going to get. Okay, inquiries like this, inquiries. Okay, inquiry here order by. Okay, I'm going to do like this, and id descending. Okay, so get here, get, and here we are going to get that inquiries again. Okay, and here JSON encode like this. Okay, so here also we'll do inquiries, and we are going to return this one dollar inquiries. Okay, now this one we can do just this thing we are going to do, and now we will open that page. Like we are going to open, yeah, we can open from here as well, view inquiries. and you can see that admin view-enquiries. Okay, so sorry, here we need to add here view-enquiries. Now this fine. We will check here. You can see the JSON data here, okay, of these two rows, okay, and it is coming here. Now this data we will get in vue.js, okay. We need to update app.js. We need to call this data, and then we will show in loop in vue.js loop, okay. So everything we are going to do, this is different from that kind of thing. There we are not using vue.js, but here we are using vue.js, okay, and it will really help us to make the thing real time, to make the response instant, for making the response instant, okay. So this thing we will call in app.js. We will use that created method of app.js, sorry, that vue.js for calling, and axios.get. Okay, if you will search on net, you will get the information of axios.get, and this one we are going to use. Okay, axios.get. Okay, and you will get information of axios.get if you are going to search on net. Okay, Axios dot, it is Axios, sorry, spelling is wrong. Axios dot get. Okay, this one is the correct spelling, and you will get much information if you are going to search how to get data. Okay, and see returning data from Axios API. So you will get much information. Okay, but we are going to see, we will do. Okay, okay, so okay, let's get this data here in page. So we are going to make that page also. So we view-enquiries blade file, we require that view-enquiries blade file. So I am going to make that blade file as well in admin. Admin, I'm going to make one folder first, inquiries. Okay, this, and inquiries, I'm going to make that file, view enquiries dot blade dot php, like this. Okay, not seems to be correct. Okay, no issue. I'm going to check. Okay, so this one here, you can see that this one we have created, that is fine. Okay, so yeah, here. So one change, and I am going to do one change here, and here I am going to create one more like view-enquiries. I'm going to create one more like get-enquiries. Okay, here I'm going to get inquiries. I'm going to write here get-enquiries, and here get-enquiries as well. Okay, and here I'm going to view-enquiries, and this one for JSON encode, and this one I'm going to use for get-enquiries, like this. And you can see here in get-enquiries we are getting everything. This thing we are getting in get-enquiries, and one more function I am going to create, that view-enquiries. Okay, and that file we are going to return that to here, like return like we used to do view. Okay, here I'm going to do that admin. Okay, inquiries and view-enquiries. Okay, view_enquiries. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one view-enquiries, and this one I'm going to use test. I'm going to check it out that whether it is working or not. See, you can see get-enquiries working fine, and I'm going to open one more and for view-enquiries, and you can see the test is coming fine here. Okay, so I can simply get that uh, admin that admin files. I'm going to insert that admin files into it, and I'm going to insert this one admin data, okay, and this one and section, and here I'm going to print view inquiries. Okay, here I'm going to get all view inquiries like this. Okay, and you can see here that we are getting everything, and some that thing also we can copy here so that it will look fine. Okay, and here inside I'm going to remove these things not required, and I'm going to make it like inquiries. Okay, is query like this, like this. Okay, here I'm going to do like this. Okay, so this table we don't require because we are going to show that data. Okay, inquiries data here. Okay, like this. Inside this we are going to show that it's fine. Okay, so here we are going to show the inquiries data, and that inquiries data we are going to fetch from this one JSON data and going to show here with view.js, and for that we need to update app.js file. Okay, and in app.js file we will use the created method. There is a created method that is used to get the data from JSON. We can get the data from JSON and going to return to the blade file. Okay, so let's do that thing. First of all, we are going to create one inquiries here, one inquiries array like inquiries. We can create like this inquiries, and here inside this, like, we are going to get all the data, and now here we are going to create one method that is created by view.js like this. Okay, here we are going to insert comma, and here we are going to use that Axios post we have done. Now we are going to use Axios.get. Okay, Axios.get this time, because we are going to get the data from the route. Okay, and the route you already know, we are having this admin slash get inquiries route. Okay, this route I'm going to get here like this. Okay, and after that the same thing that we used to do. Okay, dot then. Okay, then response. Okay, response like we should do earlier. This time we can do like this response straight away, and after that we can do like this, and here we are going to start like this, and after that we just can do that error kind of thing not required. So here response, and inside this we are going to get the response data, and that we will send there in the blade file, this dot inquiries like this we are going to do, and here in this we are going to get the response dot data like this. Okay, so these inquiries uh, we are going to fetch here. uh, okay, so uh, we are going to get data here in view inquiries. Okay, so here we require to add that div with id app. You can see with id app we used to get the data in div. Let me able to, yeah, find it. Okay, so inside this we are going to use, and we can get the data here. First of all, we will check that that data we are getting or not in encode. Okay, so I'm going to do like this, and You can see here I'm going to refresh whether the data is coming or not, and we first make sure that data is coming fine or not, and app.js can here and go to refresh, and we see, oh sorry, we still not called that. We have created function not called, so we need to call this created function that we have created, and we are going to call in ready function. Okay, so we are going to call ready function, this one, and this dot created like this. Okay, and this one we are going to do like this. Now I'm going to refresh once again. We will see if the data is coming or not. Still not coming. We need to check why it is not coming. Also no error is coming. Here we can do one more thing. Dot catch for the error function. Error is okay. See this console dot log error. Still not coming. Sometimes it happens. It gives us tough time, and we're not able to get that why we are not getting the data, and we queries admin get inquiries. Okay, and this one is fine, and then view inquiries split file we have done. Okay, and this one we can check here and whether it is coming, it is looking fine or not. Okay, okay, let's see. Go to refresh. Let's see. Alert is not coming. You can see that alert is not coming, so that's why it's not working. Okay, so there is some issue, seems to be some issue here. Created function is not working correctly, so it will take some time to resolve, and I'm going to see that why it's not working. Okay. And we are checking, it is coming. Yeah, we have missed to add the file in admin design. That's why the issue is coming. See here, we missed to add this file app.js in admin design, so that's why issue is coming. Same like in front design, we need to add the file in admin design as well. See here, so we need to add this file in admin design. Here we can add. Now you can check it out that the data will come fine. Okay, so here text is coming, and here data is coming as well. Okay, you can see the data is coming fine here. Okay, always add this file, app.js file. Okay, only then the data will come, and it taken some time. Okay, so now it is fine, alert is working fine, and the data is going there, and I'm going to open that file. Now I can close this one, front design also. I'm going to open this file, and here we are going to show the data. So we will use the div, and inside div we are going to write that v4. Okay, that is for vue.js, and here we are going to add it like in query. Okay, like we used to do in for each, and here we used to write inquiry in encquiries, uh, means per row from all the rows. Okay, so it is just similar to for each, and inside this div you are going to get all the data, like you will get that inquiry dot name is coming. It is same like for it, like inquiry, like we used to do, like in the similar way, like we used to do like for each. Okay, and after this one array is coming like this inquiries, and here we used to do inquiry. Okay, you already know, like dollar inquiries we used to do, like array is coming, and after that we used to do like dollar inquiry. Okay, and this dollar inquiry we used to do here, and for each, and this dollar inquiry we used to do like dollar inquiry. Okay, and you get the data like this, and this one we are going to add it like this. Okay, so in the similar manner, okay, we are using this one here inquiry, same like inquiry we are using that uh, object is at the front, and that inquiries array we are using here, and in a similar way we are doing it like this. Okay, so here we can pack all the data together like this. uh, we can get all the data, all the other data. Okay, now I'm going to refresh, and you can see the data is coming fine. Here you can see two records, and this one we can remove, and you can see two records coming one after another. Okay, not in that much good form, but we are at least getting data from this one. Okay, we are getting this data here with vue.js. You can see that John record is coming. After that, Amit record is coming. Okay, and in inquiries we are getting the data simply from vue.js. Okay, so that's all for now in this video. We are going to do more in the next video. Okay, so you can practice up till now that how to post and get data in vue.js, and more things we are going to do in next video. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.